In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in OneNote quickly and easily. Sticky notes are a great way to jot down quick reminders, important ideas, or temporary notes without cluttering your main pages. They're perfect for organizing your thoughts and keeping essential information visible at all times. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook or page where you want to work. Make sure you're on the page where adding a note makes the most sense. OneNote integrates seamlessly with sticky notes, so you can create them directly from the app without any additional tools. Next, go to the Home tab in the top menu. Here you'll find various tools for adding content and managing your notes. Look for the Sticky Notes option and click on it. This will open a small panel or window dedicated to creating new sticky notes. In the Sticky Notes panel, you can create a new note by simply typing into the provided space. You can add reminders, lists, or any short text that you need to reference quickly. Each sticky note acts as an independent note that you can move, resize, or color code for better organization. Once your note is typed, it automatically syncs with OneNote and your Microsoft account, making it accessible across devices. This is particularly useful if you want to access your notes on a phone, tablet, or another computer. You can also pin sticky notes to your desktop for quick reference while working in other applications. If you want to organize multiple sticky notes, you can drag and drop them within the panel or page. You can also change the color of each note to categorize information visually. This makes it easier to differentiate between tasks, ideas, or reminders at a glance. Additionally, if you need to edit or delete a note, simply click on it and make your changes. Sticky notes are flexible and easy to manage, allowing you to update them as your plans or priorities change. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added and customized sticky notes in OneNote, making it easier to manage your reminders and quick ideas in one convenient location. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.